is your vertex. It is the very middle of your graph. Okay? So just by looking at this table, I know what my vertex is. If I know what my vertex is, I know what my axis of symmetry is. I know what my range is. I know what my maximum or minimum number is going to be. I know all sorts of things. Okay? So just by giving this table, I don't know what picture it's going to make unless I can see that they're repeating. Okay? To make this little U shape, which means it's going to be a quadratic, a parabola. Now that I know it's a quadratic, what is my domain going to be? Do I know that it's a set start and stop, or is this table just going to keep going and going and going? It's all real numbers, because there's nothing about this table that tells me exactly where it's starting and exactly where it's stopping. So with a table, your domain is always all real numbers, unless it's a real life situation, okay? So if this said your range or your y's or your x's are talking about time, can you have negative time? No. Okay, so then it's only the numbers between 0 and whatever else, okay? So we'll get to examples like that later. Your range, because we don't have a start and a stop, it's only going to be y and then the number. What is our y value of our vertex? Negative 21. Okay, this number right here. Now here's how we figure out just by looking at the table. Okay, is it a greater than sign or a less than sign? Starting at negative 21, put your finger there. Or actually put both your fingers there. Both two pointer fingers at negative 21. Okay? Now go to negative 18 for both your fingers. Go out. Then go to negative 9, and then go to positive 6. Are those numbers going from negative 21 and out, are those getting bigger or smaller? Think about positives and negatives. Are they getting bigger or smaller? Bigger. Because if I have negative $21 in my bank account and then I have positive $6 in my bank account, I got more money, right? So they're getting bigger. So if it's getting bigger, then is it going to be greater than or less than? If they start getting smaller, then it's going to be a less than. So if they get more negative, then it's going to be a less than. Okay? You're going to do these 4 on your own. Okay? When you're done, bring it to me to check. Once you've got the 100, work on your delta math. Okay? You're great for delta math. I put it in last night. It's good. I'll update it this weekend. It's not going to be thin. Okay? But it is due at 3:30 today. And I'm not extending that deadline. So if you do it at 3:45, that's not, I'm sorry.